Now we will be studying about some, some diseases. Just like animals, we have studied deficiencies. No, if we do not have iron-rich food, what happens? If we have iron deficiency, what happens, Pushpal?
Anemia.
Yes, Priscilla. What will happen? Now Pushpal is going to answer. If we do not have protein, enough protein, if we have protein deficiency, what will happen to us? Pushpal?
I have Kwashiorkor.
Kwashiorkor, exactly. Pushpal, you're right. Kwashiorkor. Yes. Marasmus, Kwashiorkor. Yes. These are due to protein deficiency. Very good. Excellent.
Ma'am, but that is malnutrition, ma'am.
Malnutrition is also another deficiency. You know, if you do not have enough nutrition overall, that leads to malnutrition. But when we are talking about particular deficiency, if you do not have iron, then you will have anemia. If you do not have much protein, then you will have kwashiorkor. If you do not have vitamin D, what will happen? Karthik, what will happen if one doesn't have enough vitamin D? Rickets, yes, correct, rickets, correct. So what will happen in the deficiency of vitamin C? Amulya, do you want to answer this?
Can I?
Let Amulya also get a chance, dear. Amulya, can you hear me? Yes, scurvy. Pranay has answered. Scurvy. Correct. As human beings have all these diseases related to deficiency, plants also have such deficiency diseases. In case there is less nitrogen in the soil, what will happen? Chlorosis. Chlorosis is this, yellowing of leaves. The leaves will slowly lose chlorophyll and chloroplast because it needs nitrogen, no? That's why much chlorophyll will not grow. Yes.
Ma'am, in the equation of photosynthesis, they do not mention what nitrogen does. Can you please explain what does it do?
See, in the equation of photosynthesis, nitrogen is not required. Nitrogen only comes as a nutrient from the soil. Nutrients only come in the form of soil. When they say water, water has got dissolved nutrients in it. Right?
What does nitrogen do?
Nitrogen, that's what I was saying. In case of, plants, especially like legumes and protein-rich plants, they need a lot of nitrogen. Only then nitrogen will help in producing protein-rich plants. Like peanut.
Ma'am, you didn't answer my one question.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, what raw materials are used by plants during photosynthesis?
What?
Ma'am, what raw materials are used by plants during photosynthesis?
We have discussed this so many times, Karthik.
Carbon dioxide and water, Karthik.
Yeah, we have been discussing photosynthesis for the last 2 days thoroughly. Yeah. So this is how a chlorosis leaf would look. Now, in case there is calcium deficiency, have you ever seen people breaking eggshells into small pieces and putting it in the plants, in the soil? Why? Why? Because eggshells are rich in calcium. If there is deficiency in calcium, there will be abnormal leaf shape. See, these leaf shapes are so abnormal looking. They do not look like a normal healthy leaf. Correct? Now, if there is iron deficiency, this was also called chlorosis. In young leaves, magnesium deficiency will also cause chlorosis in older leaves. And last, in case there is phosphorus deficiency, it will cause poor plant growth. Look at this plant. It's not at all growing big. It is not growing in a healthy way because it is got phosphorus deficiency. It has not got enough phosphorus in its soil. It might have got calcium, might have got nitrogen and iron and zinc, molybdenum, everything, but it required phosphorus and it did not get it. Okay, so please remember these nutrient deficiencies in plants as you have remembered in animals. Okay, now I'll call up names and you'll have to answer one by one. Stomata, a small pushpal. Stomata are small openings present in the underside of the leaves. Pushpal.
True.
Very good. Excellent. Vansh. take this question. Any substance that can be broken down through chemical process in the body of an organism to give energy is called
Food. A.
food. Good. Very good. Now, Unmana, green plants actually make their own food through a process called Unmana?
Ma'am, photosynthesis.
Okay, correct. Syed, please take this. Take the question. The mode of nutrition whereby a living organism makes its own food is called Nasiruddin.
Ma'am,
Please answer.
autotrophic.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, Karthik, in photosynthesis process, dash absorbed by the roots react with carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and water to produce starch and oxygen. What is absorbed by the roots, Karthik? What is absorbed by the roots, Karthik?
Ma'am, any minerals.
Very good. Good. I did not notice the chat. Okay. That's it. That's it for the day. Yeah. Okay.